All right, let's talk about affiliate marketing, but probably not in the way you're used to. We're going to look at a whole new strategy, one that mixes old school human psychology with some of the smartest AI tools out there today. So, what if you could actually earn money without ever having to create your own product? And what if you could skip the whole headache of delivery and shipping? And get this, what if you never had to deal with customer support? Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's not just a dream scenario. It's exactly what strategic affiliate marketing is all about. It really just comes down to this: recommending the right thing to the right person at the perfect moment. But here's the secret, the thing most people miss. They think it's all about spamming links everywhere. It's not. The real game changer isn't the link, it's understanding the psychology behind why someone clicks in the first place. So, first things first, let's bust that big myth right now. We've got to move past just thinking about the links themselves. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing officially? It's basically a deal where you get paid a commission for bringing a company a customer, whether that's a sale, a sign-up, whatever. The key thing to remember is that it's all performance-based. You get paid for results. And believe it or not, this idea has been around for a while. It was actually patented way back in 1994. But the thing that really put it on the map, that was Amazon in '96 with their Associates program. I mean, that just opened the floodgates. And since then, it's just exploded, moving from basic websites to the whole world of blogs and social media we live in today. Okay, now we're getting to the heart of the strategy. This is the single biggest mental shift you need to make. It's about stop trying to be a seller and start being a guide. And that, my friends, is all about the psychology of trust. Just look at the difference here. The old way? It's all about pushing links, right? The goal is just to make a sale, and honestly, it can feel kind of pushy. But this new way, it's about building trust. The goal isn't the transaction, it's helping someone make a good decision. The entire tone changes from aggressive to genuinely helpful. I mean, think about it. People don't just buy things out of the blue. We're all hardwired to avoid making a bad choice. We pull the trigger on a purchase when we feel a few key things: trust, social proof, like seeing others use it, clarity on what we're getting, and a real sense of value. So your job isn't to sell, it's to build that confidence so they can make their own decision. Okay, that sounds great, but it also sounds like a lot of work, right? How do you create all this amazing, helpful content without it becoming a full-time job? Well, that's where your new best friend comes in, the AI toolkit. This is what makes the whole thing doable. Seriously, you don't need a huge budget or a marketing team anymore. You've got ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and write stuff up. You've got Canva to make awesome-looking graphics super easily. And you've got things like Notion or Google Docs to keep all your ideas organized. AI is the great equalizer here. It helps you create that value way faster. So, we've got the right mindset and we've got the tools. Now what? Let's walk through a simple, step-by-step guide to actually put this whole thing into practice. First, pick a niche you actually find interesting. Super important. Next, and this is key, don't go looking for a product yet. Instead, figure out your audience's problem. What are they struggling with? Then you go find a product that truly solves it. After that, you create helpful content around it. See how the affiliate link is almost the last piece of the puzzle? You just place it naturally where it makes sense. Yeah, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a real long-term business. And that takes consistency, always focusing on value and really understanding the mechanics of how this industry pays out. And if you want to know why this works so well, just look at the numbers. A whopping 80% of affiliate programs are pay per sale. Another big chunk is cost per action, like for sign up. What does that tell you? The entire industry is built to reward one thing: results. And that's exactly why this guide approach is so powerful. When your content genuinely helps someone make a decision, you're creating the result everyone wants. The company gets a good customer, the customer gets their problem solved, and you get paid for making it happen. It's the perfect win-win-win. Thinking this way also helps you sidestep all the common traps. Promoting junk products, just chasing the money, making lazy content. All that stuff comes from that short-term seller mindset. If you just stick to the core idea, how can I help solve a problem, you'll avoid all that. This quote really brings it all home. Technology changes fast, human behavior changes slowly. The tools we talked about, the platforms, the algorithms, all that stuff is going to change. But the core psychology of trust, of how we make decisions, That's not going anywhere. So, as we wrap this up, the question I want to leave you with isn't what links should I post? The real question is, how are you going to use psychology to build trust?